Kim, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
Hi, Mr. Olsen. I have a question. I got married last month, and I own some property. I'm wondering, does that mean that now I own it with my husband, or is it still just mine?
Is it where you live or not where you live?
Yes, it's where I live.
Okay. So here in the state of Florida, by the very fact of being married, your husband automatically has rights in your homestead. I'm talking about the home you live in. I'm not talking about your rental property or investment property. So, Kim,
Yes, we live in the home together.
Yeah. So, Kim, by the very fact that you got married, let's just say, for example, tomorrow that you wanted to sell that property, or tomorrow you wanted to refinance that property. In fact, you could not do so without your husband's knowledge, signature, and consent. Let's say that Kim, let's say that you got a will that says when you die, everything goes to your kids. If you passed away, your husband could step in and say, I don't care what her will says. I want what I'm entitled to under Florida law, and that is the right to live in this home for the rest of my life. So, Kim, your husband has rights to that home unless you have a prenuptial agreement.
Okay. Now, on the title of the home, it's in my name. I can't go put it in his name and my children's name all at once.
You could, but it would require his signature. And I'm not sure, and I'm not suggesting that you do that, Kim. I'm not. That may very be a bad move on your part.
I always wanted to leave the property to him, a third to him, and I have 2 children. You know, and he's always known that. My children have known that, and I've stated that. But as far as getting him to go down and sign the paper, I don't know. I'd have to speak with him about it. I love your show, and I was just doing some errands and thought I'd give you a call and see what you said to me.
And Kim, how long have you been married?
A month tomorrow.
Okay. So, Kim, I would think twice about putting your husband's name on that deed until your marriage has matured a little bit and you guys know that you're going to make it, okay? But when you do get ready, give me a call.
Well, we've been together for 21 years. We just weren't married.
Okay. Well, good. Then that sounds better, Kim. Kim, if you want some help with that, give me a call at my office. I'd be happy to help you.